So I'm here at the block screening of Elevator and meron silang pa-popcorn and tubig. Si Mayor. Ayan. May popcorn libre. Saka tubig. Nag-invite sa akin si Justin Manila. Ayan. Just Manila. Okay. This is movie Elevator starring Paolo Avellino. Darating daw siya. Kylie Versosa. And I don't think darating si Kim Chu. Pero kung dumating, okay. Ayan. So ito na yung mga yung taga Viva nagpa-photo kanina pa. Ayan. I think it's like third day or second day after the actual showing.
Just to share something quick. My mom is a public servant as well. She works in the government, the OTR card. So, ayan. So, baka gusto niyang kunin sa, joke lang. But thank you so much for coming out and watching Elevator. Kong Pami, thank you so much for the block screening. And I hope you enjoy the film. And if you have negative comments or positive comments about it, let Lino know. Let Direct Lino know. Direct Lino na lang.
Thank you everyone, please enjoy and share. If you like it, please share with everyone, your friends and family. It's rated PG, so pwede bata, pwede everyone to watch. Please support us. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Thank you. Enjoy the film. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you so much.
Happy Rich TV. Happy Rich TV.
Hello to everyone watching Happy Rich TV. I hope you get to like and subscribe.
Movie na rin mo.
And of course, watch Elevator. Showing na po. Sana you can take the time to come out of your houses and go to the cinemas and watch the film.
What secretary doon? Film secretary Kim na. Congrats.
Okay na po. Thank you.
Client mo yung yung sister-in-law ko, Angelique Reyes.